Go ahead.
Okay, so why I am here? I am here to present my the seminar presentation. It is about the recommendation system. Before going ahead, I would like to tell about the little story about that. Now we have seen there's a COVID-19 and a lot of things has been influenced. But the e-com.
Abdurrahman, Abdurrahman, no hurry, no hurry. Okay, be calm,
Okay.
no hurry.
Okay, so here we have seen that that a lot of things have been influenced, but the e-commerce has been exponentially increased. So this is the one of application of the recommendation system. These are my content from introduction to the conclusion, which I would brief here. First of all, talking about the introduction, the trend of shopping is entirely changed due to the revolution of the information and technology. Recently, we have seen that people prefer the e-commerce rather than the traditional physical shopping. Recently, the novel virus disease named COVID-19 outbreak affected the world economy, but the e-commerce system has been increased and become a integrally part of the daily life. There is also one study that the global e-commerce system is almost 3 trillion in 2018 and further rise, and it also expected that it would be around 5 trillion in 2021. This is the volume of the data and the information is exponentially increase each second, and it is very important to find the relevant information from a such large amount of data. So the objective of recommendation system is to personalize online product or service recommendation. It has been seen that all the major companies, the recommendation system is the integral part of their e-commerce based sale strategy. Big companies invest huge amount on the such application. It has been also seen that there's a various technique has been used in the recommendation system, but the usage of the deep neural network or deep learning or the learning method has been increased in recent years. So now come to the second about the recommendation system. The significantly increase the usage of technology medium for various business and service purposes play a vital role in the development of the recommendation domain. The role of the user feedback in the web and mobile application act as a catalyst in the area of the recommendation system. The recommendation has been generated for the user, and each recommendation operation has an item or the list of item. The essential job of recommendation is to use various kind of information and preferences for the particular product, item, service, as we see in the next figure. Here we see that there is a user based filtering as well as a item based filtering. The online user activities of the users has a various kind of intra-similarity activities between user and item. The basic concept of the recommendation is to identify such activities and predict the user future possible choices as outcome. The user rating metric is used to trace the identify intra-similarities in data-driven manner, and then purpose model used to find those intra-similarity to predict the relevance or the relevant item for individual user. Literature study shows that if there are the more information, so there would be the prediction would be more good. E-commerce website and mobile application predict relevant product item for the customer. Such application use the customer likeness, customer dislikeness, comment, feedback, responses, and many others. Such system also use the demographic information, social information to find the relevant product for the individual user. We have also seen that now the mobile devices are used, the usage of the mobile devices has been increased in last 5 years. So when we write on the mobile, so there is a low keypad, so it's more possible that the customer write more the wrong writings. So recommendation system provide the accurate things on the keypad. So here I am talking about the business centric goals of the recommendation system. First, talking about the relevance, what we have generated, it would be relevant to the customer. Novelty, what we have generated, it must be interesting and attractive to the particular customer. There is a one more concept about the serendipity, that the customer didn't expect anything from us, but the system generated and their generation would be good or impress the customer. This is the objective of the recommendation system. Like, what about the diversity, that every person has some different behavior, like some different things. So diversity feature allows that recommendation system should be able to generate recommendation according to the particular customer, that what particular customer, specific customer wants. After that, the first one is the user usability. The system should be able that the user could be that doing the thing very easily and may not be offended by the recommendation list. So let's talking about the approaches of the recommendation system. Recommendations, different approaches have been applied. The most uses are the content-based recommendation system, collaborative recommendation system, hybrid recommendation system, knowledge-based recommendation system. Where is the collaborative filtering further divided into model-based recommendation system and memory-based. This is the architecture of classification of the recommendation approaches. First, talking about the content-based recommendation system. In this type of recommendation system, the content refers the item, product, service that are liked or responded by the particular customer. The recommendation list has been generated according to the customer existing contacts or contextual information. The content-based recommendation foundation lies on the customer preferences in the past, and similar to past preferences, the new product has been recommended. Content, in the content-based recommendation system, interest model, the usage of the interest model is very important. The process of the recommendation system is given in the figure 3. Now here we see the customer prefer the product 1. Let us consider product 1 is the dairy product. Talking about similar customer like the product B, this is the product of the dry fruit product. So what happened, our system, the system would be able to find the similarity and generated the third product that is very similar to the eating product, and they should be recommended as a product C to the customer. This is the application, how the content by recommendation work has been shown here. And this is the further, this one is the collaborative recommendation. So the collaborative recommendation investigate the item, product, service and others with the fail of the feedback from other customer. Such system filter the other customer profile. This is the major difference between the collaborative and content. In the collaborative, other system, other profiles has been investigated during the prediction to know the latest trend, latest thing. The collaborative recommendation system gather the customer file and find the relationship between the customer, existing customer and the current customer whom we want to recommend new product. These are the steps that how the collaborative recommendation system work one by one. This is the process diagram that how the collaborative system work. Now collaborative system further divided into the module based recommendation system and the memory based. Let's talk about the module based recommendation system. In the module based collaborative describe the user item interaction. The model is trained by the user item interaction metric. Both as we know that three types of the machine learning, but majority two types of supervised and supervised machine learning has been used in the creation of the model, and we know that there is a difference between the training part and testing or the prediction part in the model base. Various model has been utilized in the model based recommendation system, such as the regression model, support vector, bias classifier, deep neural, and many others. Let's talking about the memory based collaborative recommendation system. Memory based collaborative recommendation system find the similarity between the user and item that extracted during the user item interaction. We know that there is a no model in the memory based recommendation, but it is based on the facts and the ground truth of the similar user. User based collaborative and the item based collaborative are the two types of memory based recommendation system. The user based computes the rating by using the neighborhood item, and the item based compute the rating by using similar user rating. Memory based recommendation system is also known as a neighborhood based recommendation system. So we have seen the two type of the recommendation system. There is a some advantage and disadvantage of that both types of recommendation system, which the new type of the recommendation system known as the hybrid recommendation system has overcome both types of the disadvantage and provide a better or optimal solution. So let us see what is the hybrid recommendation system. The hybrid recommendation system based on the hybrid filtering that extracted feature from two or more than two techniques. Individually techniques generate inaccurate recommendation, and there are various disadvantages. The objective of the hybrid approach is to overcome the limitation of each technique. Literature study shows that hybrid leverage the benefits of the all system to develop a robust system. The generic framework of the hybrid system is like here we see we have some database. In database we have user preference in item rating and extra. So after that we have a learning profile, and there is a hybrid recommendation system. Here we see there is a technique 1, technique 2 till the technique n. So there would be a more than two technique or two technique which has been used in the hybrid system, and n technique n is the real natural number. So after with the collaboration of the all technique, they produce the recommendation list, and then their recommendation list has been displayed to the customer or the particular user. This is I have already discussed. Now let's talking about the knowledge based recommendation system. We have seen that content based collaborative that takes the more information, and sometimes if talking about the customized recommendation system such as the financial service, real estate, expenses, importing product, the that kind of system does not work. So new approach is about the knowledge based recommendation system has been performed. What happened in this scenario?
Abdurrahman, seni bölüyorum ama son 5 dakikan kaldı.
Abdurrahman, you have only 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. So here this is the conceptual map that how the recommendation system the work. There is a lot of things that we have understand about that, but there's a lot of challenges on which we have to focus, or the research has been deal to with such challenges. Talking about the cold start problem, that cold start problem has been generated when the new user join the system and does not have any previous contact information. There is also challenge of the privacy. In collaborative system we have seen that we use a lot of information from the other user, so we should provide the that system that would not be privacy issue, and the any malicious user would use such knowledge into the wrong means. The fraud challenge that some vendor use the to reduce the competitor ratings, and some use to falsely improve their own rating, that could become in the fraud challenge. Data security problem come that we have a long matrix, but data is very little, because the one person like the one item, but there is a thousand of element, millions of animal. So how that problem should be covered? This is one of the challenge as shown in the table. Scalability problem, when we have a more information, so it is hard to manage all. Our system should be able to reduce that problem, and that one thing is the parallel programming is used to remove the scalability problem. diversity, I've already told that everyone likes different things, so our system should be able to provide the recommendation list which is suitable of the individual user.
Sesiniz biraz kesik kesik geliyor.
İyi. Bir sıkıntı yok şu anda Mehmet. Go ahead. Go ahead,
Yes, hocam.
Abdurrahman.
Evaluation of recommendation system, there is a set of recommendation list has been generated, but how we would analyze the performance or the effectiveness of the list which we has been examined. So there is we have seen that a lot of the evaluation metrics has been used, like mean absolute error, root mean square, and many others. So here we have read about the evaluation metric, but we are not now recommend any evaluation metric. We will see according to the our future purpose algorithm. So we have also seen the application of the recommendation. There is a lot of recommendation in the human life and drop the significant impact individually and collectively daily routine on human throughout the world. So we have seen that there is the challenges of the query recommendation, online platform, content, news personalization, computational advertising, and reciprocal recommendation system. We have the type of the recommendation system application. It could be applied in the e-government policies, e-commerce, e-library, e-learning, tourism, and the e-resource services. The further detail has been in the seminar report. What I have get from that conclusion, that a lot of approaches has been applied in the recommendation system domain, because recommended system are very effective in the business centric company, and that is the reason recommendation system, it is the essential part of the their sales strategy. So a lot of information has been used, and there is also the short term and long term objective of the company. We have seen that many approaches used, but there are the issue like a privacy issue, trend tag issue, and different form. And most of the approaches are in the theoretical form. We need to implement in the real world application. The challenge for the research community is to implement the purpose approaches without the trade-off on the performance and effectiveness of the recommended system, because one system works better but can be able to pour our system, pour our performance. So this should be catered. We intend to propose a deep learning based query auto completion solution in this thesis afterwards, and that would be improve the quality and efficiency of the existing recommendation system. These are the references, only 5 I have mentioned here. They are the 55 references which I mentioned in the report, and that's all. This is my email address, and this is any question I would be able.
Okay, Abdurrahman, you can get a breath. Thank you very much. I have one question, Abdurrahman. Can you compare the collaborative and context-based filtering systems, considering performance, user satisfaction, and cold start?
If talking about the call start, it is very major in the content-based system. The content-based system does not able to overcome the call start problem, because in the call start problem the user does not have any information. So the disadvantage of the content-based system, it is the when the new user join this system. So how this advantage has been reduced by the collaborative filtering. What happened with the help of the other customer data, other customer profile, we use the similar trend of the new user, which is known as the which is known as the call start problem. So this is the disadvantage of the content-based recommendation system has been reduced by the collaborative. But if talking about the collaborative filtering, so we are using the different knowledge of the customer profile. So there is the privacy issue, which is the major issue in the collaborative filtering. So like we are using 1,000 of the user data, but we don't have the permission of data. Will we have a permission of data that we have a valuable customer, and should we use all of data of customer in our other customers? So this kind of disadvantages come into the collaborative filtering. But the important point of the collaborative filtering is that it would be good for the performance, it would be good for the quality, because you have a various information, and you know the trend, you know the what's going into the market, what are the customer like and dislike. So this is the advantage of the collaborative filtering. And in the literature study, I have seen that majority of people, majority of researchers prefer the collaborative filtering, because the more advantage, more appropriate for the systems.
Okay, okay. Abdurrahman, thank you. Merve, şimdi form işleri nasıl yapılıyor yeni durumda?
Hocam, şimdi şöyle, ben önce kaydı bitireceğim. Şu an kaydı durduruyorum.
Tamam.
Sunumumuzu yaptık.